Woohoo! Freezing water. Here we are in Byron Bay. We're spending about a week here. We got here on a tiny plane. There are about 10 people on the plane. Survived. That was good. This airport is dead. That was a bit of an adventure. We got here to Byron Bay. It's definitely more touristy than Newcastle. It's got quite a hippie vibe to the place. Everyone's very chilled out, lots of peace signs. We've been spending our time here sort of just taking in the sights and relaxing. We did a trek to Minion Falls, which is a giant waterfall.
What are you doing?
Put my foot in this freezing water. Ah, that's nice as well. We also went on an Aboriginal tour where a local Aboriginal woman showed us the remains of some sites. We learned some interesting facts from that. We also went on a hike to the most easterly points of Australia mainland. And tomorrow we're doing some kayaking with dolphins, hopefully. Good surfing, lads. Next stop, we're hoping to go to Queensland and go to the Gold Coast. See you soon.